Cincinnati, Ohio. We got our brand new board and train today. His name is Haggard. Haggard is a 5-month-old Belgian Malinois. He comes to us today because Mom wanted him trained. Dad wanted him trained. We actually have 2 of them. We have another one at home that's about 5 years old. So they came to us about 3 years ago with him, and now they want us to train their second dog. Haggard is going to be trained in German. Let's see what he's got. Haggard, right here. Haggard, here. Good, here. Can you see? Oh, good see. Can you plot? Can you plot? He does the seats though pretty good. He did go through our puppy classes as well.
Okay. Hi, my name's Katie. This is my husband Brandon, and this is Haggard. We brought Haggard to Bulletproof Dog Training. This is technically our second Malinois that we've brought here, and our trainers were Maggie and Bill. The transformation from day 1 to day 15 is astronomical, and he is 6 months old, but the obedience that he has, that he needs for his life, is going to be amazing from what Bulletproof has provided for him. So we will continue to work with him each day from what was provided to make him a better family dog.
Yep. So from day one, Haggard had a few issues, jumping up and everything else. He still has a little bit of the jumping up, which we can work on as we take him home. But just the level of calmness that he now exhibits is absolutely great, and I can't attribute it to anybody else but Bulletproof Dog Training.